Basically, it is a swing shaper type of system where you require the in a sprinkler system. It is by default requirement of the alarm valve. It is normally used in the closed system only. It is not required in the open system because you require one mechanical system in the firefighting, so that if there is a fire, it can give you the information regarding the mechanically that there is some fire. So that is the main requirement of the alarm system. So here, if you see, this is the trim of the alarm valve and this is the main body. Initially, when water will come, it will go to the system, to the gong bell, and it will start ringing. And from here, there is one clapper is there. From inside and above the clapper, pressure gauge will remain same. So the system will remain closed. If anything happen in the outlet of this pipeline, if there is a drop in pressure, it will allow the water to go to the sprinkler system, and it will again restart the function of the alarm valve. So it will start ringing. So it will give the alert that there is some fire which occurred. So you can inform fire brigade to come up and close these things to extinguish the fire, because it will act as a first aid of the firefighting system.